the Syma S33 2.4 GHz 3-channel remote control helicopter with gyro. This product has been sent to me today by Hawkin's Bazaar, a gift, toy, gadget and tech shopping destination that has been running since 1973. I'll place a link in the description box below if you wish to find your nearest store or to purchase this product online. So, let's have a look at the box. This is an unboxing, of course. And there's the product itself. Oh, it's looking good, guys. Looking good. Okay. So, let's have a look inside. Woo. First things first, we've got a nice instruction manual here. Let's pull the helicopter out of the box. Oh, it's actually quite a large helicopter. I was quite surprised when this was sent through. Well, the box is long. Come on. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. There we go. And we're in. Ah, there we go. So, helicopter. Look at the size of the rotors on this thing. They're massive. Very, very nice indeed. So I'm expecting on the back here, we'll find a charger and some spare bits and pieces. Looks like we've got a screw bag here with a screwdriver and a tail rotor, or maybe a spare one. Let's cut that off of there. There we go. Got another one here. Looks like the charger. Yep, got a little lithium polymer charger box. And then the actual charging cable itself, which is here. Let's get into this thing then, show you guys. Yeah, so you can see that plugs into the wall in the UK here, and then that goes into the actual charging unit itself. I'll be using a third-party charger to charge this in a hurry. There's a transmitter. This will take 4 AA batteries, which we'll put in shortly. And then, I think all that's left is to get the helicopter out. So, take these little screws out. There we go. We should find now this helicopter is loose. Here she comes, boys and girls. Oh, it's a beast. Oh, it's an absolute animal. Whoa, now that is something to write home about. Look at the rotors on this thing. Wow. That is something else, guys. Wow, really impressed with that. And you can see the battery is actually down here in the bottom. So, by the looks of things, they don't want you to take the battery out. They actually make you leave it in to charge it. It has a balance connector, which is nice to see. I'll be using, like I said, a third-party connector to charge this thing. And we'll go from there. 4 AA batteries in there. So, once you put the batteries in the transmitter, you should be able to see that it's searching for the craft itself, which is good to see. So, begin with a little throttle down, plug this in. So you've got battery connector here. It only goes in one way, so it's keyed like so. Okay, you've got an on switch here, but first of all, transmitter on. So on, craft on. Okay. To activate the two, up, down. There we go. We've now paired the two together. Now I'm going to move away slightly, and now you can see that that is now ready to fly. Let's take it outside and see what it can do. So this is how the heli looks. It's got 2 motors, well 3 motors, and let's take it off then. Let's go then. Okay guys, there we have it. That was the Syma S33 RC Helicopter, and thank you so much for watching guys. If you wish to check these out, please head across to the Hawkin's Bazaar website, which I'll place a link to in the description box below. Please like and subscribe, share the videos around, and I'll see you next time for some more radio control videos. See you later, bye!